Hello everyone. Today in our channel I am just going to share some informations about blood donations and why human beings have different types of blood groups and the history when the blood donation, in which year blood donation has been started, and all other informations. As I feel is that blood donation is a wonderful thing. It's a important thing that each and everyone can do with free of cost. Blood is the most precious gift that anyone can give to another person, the gift of life. First thing is that when the blood donation is started, that is the year 1818, James Blendwell, a British obstetrician, performs the first successful transfusion of human blood to a patient for the treatment of postpartum hemorrhage. So this is the history that definitely everyone can easily get it from internet. But being a human, being a creature of God, this is our duty, this is our responsibility to help others when they are in trouble. So, blood donation is a very important topic that each and every one of us must have to know in our life, and we have to definitely give the proper information to our younger generation also. Because of this reason only, I have chosen this topic, that why can't we discuss, why can't we talk about this topic. This is the crucial time each and everyone is in trouble because of the COVID-19 pandemic. In this situation, each and every human must have to cooperate with others to make a healthy, productive society. This is the view of mine. At first, we have to think about it. Why do human beings have different types of blood groups? We all are human. We look alike. Definitely, we don't think alike, but at most level, we think alike also. If it in that sense, all our blood is in red color, it is in red color, then why there are many types of blood groups? Why? That is the first question comes. Why can't anyone can donate their blood to anyone? After all, we are all human. Why can't we donate blood when anybody in trouble? To anyone can donate the person the blood to save his life. That comes in our mind at first. We have to know why, what are the scientific factors are related to this topic, related in this, for this question. That is, Human blood types mostly come to exist to fend off infectious diseases. The incompatibility of some blood, however, is just an accident of evolution. There are four main blood groups are there. Four main blood types. Blood type A. We talk about blood type A today. It's a vast topic, blood donation and knowing about the blood groups and what are the positives, what are the negatives are there when we are going to donate the blood to others. It is a very informative. We must have to know about it, but it's a very big topic. We have to know about this topic also. So today I just want to share few things with you. Definitely you will give your previous remarks. Definitely you will give your valuable remarks here to discuss more about this topic. Blood type A is the most ancient and it exists before the human species evolved from its hominid ancestors. Blood group A. Individuals have the A antigen on the surface of their RBCs and blood serum containing IgM antibodies against the B antigen. So, group A individuals can receive blood only from individuals of group A or O and can donate blood to individuals with type A or AB. So, my dear viewers, today this much the information I shared with you. As I told you, it's a very vast topic. Definitely in forthcoming days we will discuss about our type of bloods, different types of bloods and other informations. Like corona, this type of COVID-19 pandemic, we must have to know each and every aspects of our human body so that we can immediately help others. Thank you so much for giving me the valuable time of yours. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.
Thank you.